Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I've created this simple yet fresh gorgeous look that you can carry for summers in your college or any office meetings. Even can carry this look to your office. And you know what? I have created this look using products that are under 300. Amazing, ain't it? So let's get started. You can do a sleek pony or can do a low bun with this. Both of these hairstyles will give you a clean polished look. For moisturizing, I'm using the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Bright Moisturizer. After letting the moisturizer seep into my skin for a good couple of minutes, I'm using the Olly Damn Sun Sunscreen. It's a great sunscreen without any white cast. For the primer, I'm using the Insight 3-in-1 Primer. This is a great affordable primer. This is a gel-based primer. If you want, you can use a cream-based primer. After that, I'm moisturizing my lips using a lip balm from MCaffeine. The smell is so heavenly. It's caramel chocolate smell. Definitely must try one. After that, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics Concealer Palette. This is the color wheel which I'm using for pigmentation around my eye area. If you are someone like me from medium to dusky skin tone, then use a orange corrector. But if you are someone who is fairer, you can use a peach corrector for the same. Over this, I'm using a concealer shade and using my fingers to apply it. Use a damp makeup sponge to blend everything because this is a more creamier consistency of concealer. Use a very gentle and light pressure because it's so creamy, it can get removed from some places. You can see a huge difference in my both of the eyes. Let's just bake the eyes using the Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. I know this is a little expensive. You can use any other translucent powder you have. I have this one which is around something $5.99. Let the translucent powder stay for at least 1 or 2 minutes and then dust off. Use the same translucent powder around all over the face and just dab it and remove any excess. My base is done. I'm using the Hypercurl mascara. This is super amazing mascara. You can see the difference yourself. Before applying the second coat, let the first coat dry out completely. Don't forget to apply the mascara on the lower lashes. You just need 2 coats of this mascara and you are just done. I wanted the blush to be more natural. For the same, I'm using the Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. This is a beautiful pink mauve shade. It's creamy as well as matte, so don't let it sit for too long. Blend it using a damp makeup sponge. If you find it's not blending, you can use any setting spray, spray it on the sponge and then blend it. It's giving super soft, dewy, amazing look. I will be using the same for my lips. Over this, I'm using a transparent lip gloss from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Frost. For filling the brows, I'm using the Blue Heaven True Brow Definer in the shade Ash Grey. Before filling it, I'm going to use a spoolie and brush them through and then use the brow definer. Set your base in place using any setting spray. This is the final look. Super easy, go-to look you can carry anywhere. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos, and if you did, please hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. I will be coming up with more amazing tips, tricks and makeup hacks. See you then.